Morning, Chris. Busy day today. Where's Paul and Kyle? Paul, Kyle, we got a lot of work to do today.
6, 7, 8.
Pow, pow, pow. Pow, 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 pow. Scooby-Doo. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. Scooby-Doo.
So, what'd you think, boss?
I'm speechless.
Oh, thanks. We've been practicing for,
That is the dumbest shit I have ever seen in my life. I'm gonna go back to the office and try and erase that from my memory, boys.
What about all that work you had for us?
Forget it, I'll just do it myself.
Yes. Win.
Works every time.
Action.
Mom!
Paul! 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 Hey, Kyle! Hey, Kyle! You need to work the night shift tonight. I was gonna get Paul, but he looks very busy today.
Oh, but I was supposed to knit a sweater for my fish tonight.
Sorry, Kyle, you're gonna have to do that another night.
Why?
Oh, hello there. Oh, Mighty Fine Tools. You may be wondering why I have this pipe wrench on my shoulder. A lot of people don't know this, but when you place a pipe wrench on your shoulder and walk away very quickly when the boss asks you to do something, he'll think you're very busy and you won't have to do anything. We got some eyes in the sky. Let's go to Owen. What do you have to say, Owen?
Hey Paul, Owen here. I just wanted to say that Kyle's performance was terrible. His posture is bad, execution was horrible, and there was no determination in his eyes whatsoever. He definitely deserves to work night shift, walking around like a putz. Back to you, Paul.
Thanks, Owen. When used correctly, a pipe wrench is a mighty fine tool indeed. Kyle clearly forgot, and now he's stuck doing the night shift. Poor Kyle.